sleep-deprived, desperate for a solution.
As mysteries go, there aren't many that can match this one for being just as annoying as it is unexplained. That high-pitched sound wreaking havoc on Forest Grove, Oregon for weeks, mainly at night, even waking people up.
It sounds like brakes to me, the cyclical, screeching of you need to change your brakes.
Local officials have ruled out a water valve, gas leak, or wildlife, and the nearest train track is rarely used.
Want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
Unlike Dumb and Dumber, this sound isn't so funny to people who live here. The fire department doesn't know what it is either.
Welcome to the X-Files, back on TV again. So here we are.
The truth is out there, and whatever it is sure is loud and baffling. Neil Karlinski, ABC News, Seattle.
Tweet me, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching here on a Thursday night. I'm David Mueller. I hope to see you right back here tomorrow. From all of us here at ABC News, have a good evening. Good night.